each. You can't get drunk.
I feel this is happening. I was trying to film your experience, Steven. That's all I was going for. I'm sorry. Where are we going? McDonald's!
I found something. I think this belongs to you, Darcy.
Someone else wants it. Darcy, you're gonna drop me. You're so teeny tiny. You're so teeny tiny.
Can I have this? Thanks.
You want them?
Oh my god.
They're shoes.
Darcy, you're so teeny.
Just in case your feet ever hurt in
That's so
in those.
beautiful. Like,
Okay, pull it.
I don't think it would pull it. Oh my god, there's a little tiny flippy floppy.
They're shoes.
I'm too good for
What kind of food would you like? Because I know you have money.
Give me a burger, like a little
McDouble.
McDouble.
He needs a McDouble,
I
right?
need a McDouble.
He needs a McDouble.
What kind of McDouble?
Are you getting me a
I'm getting McDonald's for everyone.
Are you?
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
How am I ever going to repay you?
You'll think.